In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Oopbuy. Start by heading over to oopbuy.com and log into your account. Next, hover your mouse on your profile icon, then click on Wallet. This is where your available funds, refunds, and bonuses are shown. Next is look for the withdrawal button and click on it. Now, if you paid using a card, Apple Pay, PayPal, or another method, you may need to add or confirm your bank details first before withdrawing back to that same method. So here, of course, first enter in the withdrawal amount. Then next is select the payment method you want to withdraw to. Usually, it's your original payment method. Then enter the required info if needed. Once done, click on the Submit Withdrawal Request button. After that, the money should be sent back to you through your linked account or linked payment method. Most users report that funds typically take several business days, around about 7 to 14 days to show up, depending on your bank or card issuer. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!